Alright. Bye bye, Antioch Marina. That was my spot. Bye bye, guys. It was a wonderful stay in the Antioch Marina. They do allow short-term stays if you're passing through and you want to stop by her for your slip. They got tons of slips available. It's like $35 a night if you're a smaller vessel, $45 if you're a bigger vessel. And super calm, guys, super calm. I mean, this is the calmest anchorage I have seen in a long time. So definitely worth checking out, guys. Definitely highly recommended. And looks like we are setting off, guys. I didn't set my GPS yet. But we're actually motoring out of the marina. We haven't hit nobody yet. We did have a little bit of difficulty trying to get turned around, but we was up against that wall, so we want to do that next time. We'll make sure we have a spot that's not up against the wall. And we do have to get our fenders up here soon. Take turns nice and wide, guys. That's the gate that we're aiming for. Alright. I gotta let you guys go for now. I'm gonna drive.
Captain Phil at the wheel, San Francisco Bay with the seals. This old sailboat with tattered sails, this adventure can fail. Woo! Running aground many times, long way to explore on a dime. San Joaquin River fast at times, where will I be in a week's time? Running around many times, long way to explore on a dime. San Joaquin River fast at times, where will I be in a week's time? Tattered sails on this ship, repairs needed wood with chips. Making memories, what a trip. Dreams I chase in water so deep. In the Delta we roam, winding streams we chart, far from known home. It's an art. Oh! Maps laid out on old wood, captain planning as he should. Journey long but feeling good, adventure on a budget, never end. And stars above, water below, waves and wind blow. In the wild, feeling blessed, chasing dreams we've confessed. Oh! Tattered sails on the ship, repairs needed wood with chips. Making memories, what a trip. Dreams I chase in water so deep. In the Delta we roam, winding streams we chart, far from known home. Oh, it's an art, oh, it's an art, far from known home. It's an art, oh, oh, oh. In the Delta we roam, winding streams we chart, far from known home. It's an art, it's an art. Maps laid out on old wood, captain planning as he should. Journey long but feeling good, adventure on a budget, never end. Stars above, water below, waves and wind blow. In the wild, feeling blessed, chasing dreams we've confessed. Oh! Chasing dreams we've confessed. Oh! Tattered sails on this ship, repairs needed wood with chips. Making memories, what a trip. Dreams I chase in water so deep. In the Delta we roam, winding streams we chart, far from known home. In the wild, feeling blessed, chasing dreams we've confessed. Journey long but feeling good, adventure on a budget, never end, ever end. Stars above, water below, waves and wind blow. In the wild, feeling blessed, chasing dreams we've confessed. Captain Phil, just sit back, hear a tale, fearless captain. Sea so high, waves crashing, Richardson Bay by the Alcatraz. Angel Island we do roam, from Paradise Cove we call home. China Camp to Antioch to Suizan to Antioch we make our way. From the old Bay Bridge we steer, winds they howl, skies all clear. Through misty fog and salty air, no fear, Captain Phil is there. Angel Island we do roam, from Paradise Cove we call home. China Camp to Antioch to Suizan to Antioch we see through. Stars they shine, moonlight's you, ocean's vast, a path feels new. Echoes call from Captain Phil at the wheel, San Francisco Bay with the seals. This old sailboat with tattered sails, this adventure can't fail. Running and round many times, a long way to explore on a dime. San Joaquin River buster times, where will I be in a week's time? Tattered sails on this ship, repairs needed in wood with chips. Making memories, what a trip. Dreams I chase in water so deep. In the delta we roll, winding streams we chart, far from known home. It's an art, maps laid out on old wood, captain planning as he should. Journey long but feeling good, adventure on a budget never end. Stars above, water below, waves and wind blow. In the wild feeling blessed, chasing dreams we've confessed. Running aground many times, long way to explore on a dimes. San Joaquin River fast at times, where will I be in a week's time? Running aground many times, long way to explore on a dime. San Joaquin River fast at times, where will I be in a week's time? Tattered sails on this ship, repairs needed wood when my chips. Making memories, what a trip. Dreams I chased in water so deep. In the delta we roll, winding streams we chart from no home, no road. It's an art, maps laid out on old wood, captain planning as he should. Journey long but feeling good, adventure on a budget never end. In the delta we roam, winding streams we chart from no home. It's an art, maps laid out on old wood, captain planning as he should. Journey long but feeling good, adventure on a budget never end. In the delta we roll, winding streams we chart, far from known home. It's an art, maps laid out on old wood, captain planning as he should. Journey long but feeling good, adventure on a budget never end. In the delta we roll, winding streams we chart, far from known home. It's an art, maps laid out on old wood, captain planning as he should. Journey long but feeling good, adventure on a budget never end. Stars above, water below, waves and wind blow. In the wild feeling blessed, chasing dreams we've confessed.
we're kicking up a little wake. Everyone dock. Did not hit. Alright guys, so we're underneath the bridge. That's cool. I guess the bridge survived this crossing anyway. Alright, we're deeper in the delta now guys. Alright, bye bye. Those are cool. It's amazing how many old ships you see out here, right? Those have been anchored though for a very long time. I guess they just sat there and rusted away.